can a piece of paper turn into something as good as a ninja star? Like, a ninja star came from a piece of paper that I write on a daily basis. The only things I could do is a square, a rectangle, and a triangle. How does someone do it? Well, I guess simpler things have been done. But back in Japan, during the Edo period, they had this folding technique where they could make paper ninja stars. And this was called origami. It started because of there was a surplus in paper that met beyond the demand of what was required for literature back then. So artists and bystanders had a surplus of paper to work with. This meant that they could make creative shapes when either it's a ninja star or a piece of paper that you just fold. But what does this have to do with me? Why is this important? Well, I have to say it's important because origami might have been something that was unique back then, but it has been adapted nowadays. It's adapted to when we fold clothes, or when we basically just fold a piece of paper, or open it up. We're basically doing origami to make something. We make a square because it's special folding. The, the idea of origami is to make something creative, or whether it's for artistic expression or for a pastime. But origami could be with just more than just paper. It could be with cloth. It could be with something sticky, such as beeswax or wax paper. The possibilities are endless. But today, I'll be showing you how to make a simple beginner ninja star. Let's get to it. We will be working with a towel first. Fold your towel in half to form a square and lay it on a flat surface and make sure there's no wrinkles in it. Then you want to fold your towel towards the center, horizontally, in equal amounts. Then you want to fold the towel vertically in equal amounts towards the center. You should get this finished product. Next is you want to pull out the bottom right hand corner to form a sharp edge, like so. Then you want to pull out the bottom left hand and pull it downward, like so. You're halfway there. Your next step is you want to pull out the top right hand corner and pull it up to get another sharp edge pointing upward. Then you want to pull out the top left hand corner to form a sharp edge, as you did with the bottom right hand corner. See, you got a ninja star, but wait, there's a little square in the middle. How do you get rid of it? Well, you have to pull the center of the ninja star towards the center of the circle. So meaning you have to fold it more inward to scale it, to get rid of the little circle. Once you fold it inward, you should get your perfect ninja star. As so. Ta-da! You got your towel ninja star. The next step we're gonna do is fold our paper ninja star. We're gonna fold along the red line so we can rip out the extra width of the paper that we have. This piece of paper is just a regular piece of notebook paper, so there's no specialization of what paper I use in this video. It's very important that you make sure that crease is very visible, but most importantly, it's folded as many times as possible to avoid any mistears. Oops, I did a mistear, but that's alright because I'm fine with the mistears. But if people who are very perfectionists, it's very important that you either want to start over or be very careful as you do this tearing process. You will need to repeat the same procedure as you did with your towel ninja star for your paper ninja star. Uh-oh, we have a problem. The center of the ninja star is too long. Well, this procedure, we will have to fold and scale the ninja star by folding the middle inward so we can close that gap. As you can see, the paper ninja star will have more difficulty than the towel ninja star, so it's best to be careful with it. And voila, your first paper ninja star, folded out of a piece of paper you write with. Congratulations, you just finished your first ninja star. But look at the difference. In your paper ninja star, you can see your little mess ups. Well, still showing off your little features. While on a towel ninja star, your little features aren't as shown as much. But your mistakes aren't as shown as either. So I would advise caution if you're working with a piece of paper, but I say practice if you're working with a towel before you begin with a paper. It's easy to fold anything, from paper to a towel to just a plain old shirt. Origami is everywhere nowadays. It just depends where you have to look. So it's more important to look and keep an open mind, because you might not know where origami might be nowadays. So for all the beginners, including myself, it's time to take it one step at a time and not be ashamed of your mistakes, because we all can't shine like stars at first, but it's our job to grow brighter with each and every time we practice.